So now guys, the remote empowering on. The remote control is illuminated. It has the power button. Now it's separately the off button. It has a zoom, the zoom in, zoom out of the picture, the AV mode, audio video. You can disable it. You can disable the audio video mode. The brightness, you can control it directly from the remote control. The contrast, also the display mode, you can see the user profile, but I want to show you immediately after we turn on the projector some bug. I think, I don't know exactly what this projector has. We have the image adjustment, vertical synchronization, the aspect ratio. Here is the auto and the standard mode. You'll see something new into the menu, but we will do the menu of this projector. First, I wanted to show you the remote control. The mute button, the volume button, and the navigation, enter, and the menu and exit here. Here we have the sources, both sources for you to select. Okay, so now let's turn on the projector and see how much time it needs for the image to load. So before turning on, I want to tell you that it's connected to my Denon S960H, the 8K receiver that will run now 4K, because this projector is 4K. And I have a gaming notebook that sends the signal to the Denon and the Denon to the projector. So now let's turn it on. Now it's starting. It's flashing blue LED, right? We have a big fan noise, and we have image. I don't know, it may be 8 seconds to start, which is pretty awesome.